Hey there, thanks for joining us today. If you've struggled with stubborn belly fat or slow weight loss, despite dieting, working out, or trying countless supplements, this might be the most important 5 minutes you spend today. Because I'm about to share a breakthrough formula that works while you sleep, yes, you heard that right, and helps you finally shed unwanted fat the smart, natural way. Keep listening, because I'll also share how you can try it risk-free, yes, full refund guarantee, and exactly how to get your hands on it before stock runs out. Let's be real, losing weight is hard, especially as we age. You've probably experienced sluggish metabolism, cravings late at night, sleepless nights or poor sleep quality, weight that creeps back even after dieting, frustration, low energy, feeling stuck. What if I told you the real secret might be what you do, or don't do, while sleeping? Many people don't realize poor deep sleep and exposure to blue light at night, that is phones, TVs, laptops, can disrupt hormones, slow fat burning, increase appetite, and block weight loss, effectively keeping fat on your body even when you eat right and exercise. That's where Sleep Lean comes in. Sleep Lean is an all-natural supplement designed specifically to work overnight to help your body burn excess body fat, improve sleep quality, boost energy and mental clarity, reduce inflammation, and support a healthier body. It's a smart, science-backed formula that pairs perfectly with your existing diet and exercise efforts and helps you get a double benefit: rest better and lean down faster. Here's the interesting part. Sleep Lean's formula is built from a blend of 8 natural ingredients known for their sleep, metabolic, and hormonal balancing properties: valerian root, humulus lupulus, hops, graphonia, 5-HTP, berberine, spirulina blue, black cohosh, lutein, and inulin. The product page confirms it uses this proprietary 8-ingredient blend. Here's how those ingredients help. Valerian and humulus lupulus support deep, restful sleep. 5-HTP helps regulate serotonin and mood and indirectly, appetite. Berberine may help regulate blood sugar and metabolic function. Spirulina blue and inulin support gut health and detox pathways. Black cohosh and lutein support hormonal balance and mitigate the negative effects of blue light exposure. By tackling sleep quality, hormonal balance, and metabolic support, Sleep Lean doesn't just add on fat burning, it helps fix underlying obstacles that often sabotage weight loss. Now, obviously individual results vary. Sleep Lean is not magic, but here's what many people report: that within the first week, feeling lighter, clothes looser, more energy, deeper rest. Within 30 to 60 days, visible fat loss, especially around the belly, better skin, reduced inflammation. Overextended use, sustained fat loss and maintenance. The makers even offer a 90-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it with confidence. Using Sleep Lean is simple. Take 2 capsules before bed each night. It's manufactured in the US under good manufacturing practices, using natural ingredients. They claim no reported negative side effects, though as with any supplement, if you're pregnant, nursing, taking medications, or have a medical condition, you should talk to your doctor first. Here's where it gets even better. When you order 3 or 6 bottles, you get 2 bonus books for free: anti-aging and confidence guides. The 6-bottle package also includes free US shipping. They claim 94% of customers order the 6-bottle pack. But stocks are limited, and once it's sold out, it may not be restocked soon. So if you see this offer, take action now. Plus, don't forget, the 90-day, no questions asked money-back guarantee means there's virtually no risk to giving it a try. So here's what I want you to do right now. Click the link below in description box to go to the official Sleep Lean order page. Choose the package that fits your goals, 3 or 6 bottles recommended. Claim your free bonus books and free shipping if eligible. Start taking 2 capsules before bed, every night, consistently, and track your results over the next weeks. If at any time in 90 days you don't see or feel results, you're protected, full refund, no questions asked. This might very well be the missing piece in your weight loss journey, the one that works while you sleep to complement your diet and workouts. Don't wait. Start now. Help your body finally burn fat, rest better, and feel more energized. Click that link, place your order, and let's get you leaner starting tonight. At One Review, we review the best deal for you. We love discovering the best deals and product tips for our viewers. Please hit subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss out on honest reviews, top recommendations, and exclusive offers to save you time and money. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.